With CASAFARI, you can save properties as your favorites and create lists. To save a property as your favorite, click on the favorite symbol and select the list you'd like to add it to. It's also possible to create a new folder directly on this menu. Access your favorites by clicking on the favorite symbol on the navigation menu to your left side. You can choose to see all changes to your favorites that occurred on the last 30, 7, 3 or 1 day. To check out the changes done to only one of your lists, select the chosen list and then choose the time period you wish to see. You can also see all changes individually, divided among new listings added to the market, increases or decreases on prices, properties that were reserved, removed from the market and sold. To do so, click on the blue number below each option. Another possibility is to organize your favorites in many ways by clicking on Filter. Choose the criteria you wish to apply, as well as in which order you want the favorites to be shown, ascending or descending. For more information, contact us through our chat or email us at support@casafari.com.